Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your education to your Seek Jobs profile. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then after going to your home page, click on the profile button down below, which is the last option. Slide to the right side of the screen at the top and click on education. Tap on add education and then enter your course or qualification. Then enter your institution. Then you can also indicate whether your qualification is completed or not. If it's completed, you should indicate the year when you have finished or you have obtained your degree, and you should also add your or you can also add your course highlights, adding activities, projects, awards, achievements during your studies, but this is totally optional, so you shouldn't feel obligated to type it in. Then if you are done, click on the done button in the upper right corner and then click on the button save at the top. So here you can see that you have added your education. If you want to edit it, tap on the three dots icon next to it and click on edit. You can also delete it if you want to, and you can also add another education if you want to by tapping on the add button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.